called? Huh? What that's called? You don't know what that is. What you doing?
I'm swimming.
Swimming? You gotta go in the bigger pool, bro. Come on. This is my first drink. My first drink of the day is gonna be an absolute cocktail, berry vodka Rita. Yep. You know, I'm walking through, they looking at me like the king in this bitch. Tell them that's how you know. That's how you be knowing. Like, yeah, it's meant for me. It's meant for me. I don't know what's meant for me, but something meant for me. Real talk. Hold up, and you can walk around the drink. Oh man. Ain't nothing better than that. Shit. You go walk around. You can walk around with your drink in here. So shit. Hey, you walk. Feel me? Straight up. Somebody tell me something, be so mad. I'm gonna be so mad. Like, this nigga just told me you can walk around like that. I gotta find a towel. I need me a towel. I don't know what a towel is. I need me a towel. I'm gonna go find me somewhere I can smoke it. Check back in with y'all in a little bit.